Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will address the DTC P2127, which indicates a low voltage condition in the APP sensor B circuit of the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. DTC stands for Diagnostic Trouble Code, which is used to identify the specific malfunctioning component or system within the vehicle. The APP sensor, or Accelerator Pedal Position sensor, is critical in determining how much power the engine produces based on the driver's acceleration input. An issue with this sensor can lead not just to poor performance, but potentially to complete power loss in the vehicle, making it imperative to tackle this code immediately. We will explore the components involved, their roles, locations, and troubleshooting steps required to resolve this DTC effectively. The DTC P2127 is associated with APP sensor B, specifically noted as TP sensor E, which is responsible for sending voltage signals to the powertrain control module, PCM. The APP sensor is located on the accelerator pedal assembly and detects the position of the pedal, converting this position into an electrical signal. This signal relays crucial data to the PCM, allowing it to adjust engine performance and fuel delivery accordingly. If the voltage from this sensor falls below a predetermined threshold of 0.2 volts, it triggers the P2127 code. The communication of these signals is vital for maintaining optimal vehicle performance and engine responsiveness. Thus, a malfunction can severely impact driving ability. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P2127. First, there may be poor connections or loose terminals at either the APP sensor or the PCM, leading to insufficient voltage reaching the system. A short circuit in the APS2 wire, which connects the APP sensor to the PCM, can also create low voltage conditions. Alternatively, an open wire in this circuit could interrupt the necessary flow of electricity, thus registering below the critical voltage threshold. The PCM itself could also be at fault if its internal circuit fails to process signals correctly. It's essential to inspect these areas comprehensively during the troubleshooting process. When experiencing issues related to DTC P2127, drivers may notice several symptoms that indicate a problem with the APP sensor circuit. A common symptom is a loss of engine power. The vehicle may not accelerate as expected, making driving more difficult. An unresponsive accelerator could occur, meaning that pressing the pedal doesn't result in the expected engine response. In severe cases, intermittent problems could lead to vehicle stalling, posing safety concerns while driving. Identifying these symptoms early aids in promptly addressing the underlying issues and ensures safe vehicle operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2127 is to verify the problem during the vehicle's on mode. Begin by ensuring the ignition is turned to on, but do not start the engine. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, check the voltage of the APP sensor B. This sensor should produce a voltage reading that is greater than 0.2 volts. If the reading is within the specified range, proceed to step 2 in the troubleshooting process. If the voltage is below this threshold, there may be an intermittent failure, signaling that the system is functioning adequately at that moment. In such cases, the next focus should be on examining the connections and terminals leading to the APP sensor and PCM for any signs of wear or looseness. In step 2, start by turning the vehicle to the off mode. Then proceed to disconnect the APP sensor's 6P connector. Once disconnected, turn the vehicle back to the on mode to perform a voltage measurement. Measure the voltage between the specified test points at the APP sensor connector. Test point 1 corresponds to terminal number 1 and test point 2 corresponds to terminal number 2. The expected reading should be approximately 5.0 volts. If the voltage is appropriate, continue to step 3 of the troubleshooting process. If not, move to step 6, as this indicates an issue in the wiring or connection that needs addressing. Step 3 requires turning the vehicle to the off mode and utilizing the HDS to jump the SCS line, followed by waiting for more than a minute. Disconnect the PCM connector A, which contains 50 pins. This action is necessary to check for continuity between specified test points across the APS2 wire. Ensure that the APP sensor 6P connector is also disconnected. Use a multimeter to assess continuity between test points. The first being terminal number 1, 3 on the APP sensor connector, and the second being a body ground. If continuity exists, it indicates a short in the APS2 wire between the PCM and the APP sensor. Thus, repairs should be conducted in that wire. If continuity is not present, you must proceed to step 4. In the 4th step, begin by connecting terminals A and B of the APP sensor 6P connector with a jumper wire. Terminal A represents the female terminal number 3, while terminal B serves as a body ground. Check for continuity between the locations specified, ensuring the vehicle remains in off mode and that the APP sensor 6P connector is disconnected during this process. The continuity check should take place between PCM connector A at pin number 34 and body ground. If continuity is established, this means that the APS2 wire is in good condition and you should advance to step 5. If continuity is not present, this indicates an opening in the APS2 wire requiring immediate repair between the PCM and the APP sensor. Moving on to step 5. Start by removing the jumper wire from the APP sensor 6P connector, and then reconnect the PCM connector A. Next, connect a jumper wire between terminal A of terminal number 1 on the APP sensor 6P connector and terminal B of terminal number 3 on the same connector. After setting up this connection, exit the SCS mode using the Honda Diagnostic system. With the vehicle still in the on mode, check the signal from APP sensor B. Again, the voltage should read below the threshold of 0.2 volts as required. If your reading aligns with this standard, it may be prudent to consult service information or replace the PCM if needed. However, if the threshold is not met, then replacing the APP sensor becomes necessary to resolve the DTC P2127. In the final step of troubleshooting DTC P2127, first turn the vehicle off. Once again, similar to step 3, jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait for over a minute. Disconnect the PCM connector A to ensure accurate readings. After this, connect terminals A and B, with terminal A representing the female terminal number 1 of the APP sensor and terminal B as a body ground. Conduct a continuity test between the specified test points, focusing on PCM connector A at pin number 44 and the body ground. Achieving continuity indicates that the VCC5 wire is functional, and you should consider substituting a known good PCM, or consult service information for more details regarding your symptoms. If continuity fails, repair any openings found in the VCC5 wire connecting the PCM to the APP sensor. After completing all necessary repairs related to DTC P2127, it is essential to verify that the system is functioning properly. Begin by ensuring the system's operation is restored and the APP sensor is delivering accurate signals. Clear the DTC from the vehicle's memory using the Honda Diagnostic system, which essentially resets the onboard computer. Following that, conduct a test drive to assess if the error or any related symptoms reoccur. This step is crucial to determine whether the underlying problem has been effectively resolved and that the vehicle operates smoothly under normal driving conditions, without any interruptions caused by sensor failures. Preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the long-term performance of the APP sensor and the vehicle's overall reliability. Regularly checking the connections at the APP sensor and PCM can prevent issues before they escalate. Additionally, routinely inspecting the wiring integrated with these components can assist in identifying potential wear and tear early on. If any damaged sections are discovered, thwart further issues by replacing these components promptly. Staying proactive in these maintenance practices not only minimizes the chances of DTC P2127 recurring, but also aids in enhancing vehicle performance over time. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2127 is of utmost importance to maintain the vehicle's performance and safety. The APP sensor plays a vital role in engine control, and understanding its function can help prevent major issues down the road. Timely troubleshooting steps outlined in this presentation will lead to accurate identification and repair of the error. It is crucial to follow the prescribed methods to ensure all potential fault areas are examined thoroughly, as neglecting these steps can lead to further complications. Ultimately, staying attentive to the requirements of the APP sensor circuit can significantly enhance the driving experience and vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.